What is the process?
So we take dextrose sugar, which is corn syrup. Okay, and about equal parts for about 5 gallons, which is the amount of beer we have. You use about an ounce a gallon.
Okay.
Which works out to almost a cup.
Okay.
So I put in about 4/5 of a cup.
Okay.
Of that, and about equal water, and then I boiled it, and that is in here. So it's been boiled down, and that's basically sugar water.
Okay.
So that sugar water is going to be the food for the yeast that's left in the beer.
The beer. Okay.
That's going to eat it, produce gas in the bottle, and then you have a bubbly beer. Because right now it's flat. There's no gas in it.
Gas in it. Okay.
So we need to. It's called priming the beer. That's what this process is, as well as bottling it.
Bottling and
so we're going to
the
use
beer.
this here, which is already cleaned with that sanitizer, and yeah. So that sanitizer's in here. We have the bottle caps in here. We've also put in a capper, so we're going to use bottle caps for a bunch of these. These bottle caps.
Those guys, okay.
And we have a machine that's going to press it onto it.
Oh, perfect.
So that'll be, and then we've also got these ones.
We are in action.
Which have the cap on it already.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the prime sugar. It's going to go in here.
Okay.
Right, and this is a sanitized pot right now. So we're going to take the beer.
Did you want me to this here? You okay?
No, it's good. And what we're going to do is gently, with as best we can, siphon it off with a hose. It's also sanitized, so we're going to put it in the sanitizing bucket right now. And this is called an auto siphon. It basically creates a. You want to see this here? This here's an auto siphon, and it will basically create a vacuum and suck the beer down into this bucket, which is our basically a priming bucket.
That is where you put that that solution that you made from this.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So the sugar water's in there. The dextrose and water.
Okay.
All right. Now what we're going to do is going to take this airlock off. You can see there's no air can get in there. And this is a process that we have to be really
vigilant.
Well, we don't want to get air in here. Air kills beer. So we've got 2 things in here right now. You can see those are the hops.
It smells good.
It does.
I can smell it from here.
All right, so that's there. I'm going to take this out. Take this out. Produced and
the gravity of the alcohol, right? Okay.
So that just means
the amount of alcohol produced.
Actually, do you want to hold? You have to help me here.
Yeah, sure.
I want you to just hold this. God, I hope we don't have really disappointed right now. We potentially have.
I hope not. Don't mention it.
So I'm just going to try to siphon off some beer here.
Sure.
Is that filling up?
Halfway. Three-quarter. Oops, full. Getting full. Oopsie.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Let's leave that here. And
Bubbles.
so
The bubble,
that's okay. Can leave this
Okay.
here. Let go.
yeah, okay.
This is gonna go in
Gotta
here.
stop it. Oopsie. Oh my god, that's my own. Sorry, I have to say that all the
Hopefully
time.
we're okay. I think it's okay.
Mm.
So that's the beer. So to check the gravity, we stick in this here, which is going to measure how much dissolved sugars are still in there.
Mm-hmm.
So 1.2, exactly where we wanted to get to. So the number here is on the front, so you can see it measured. See the number 1 up at the top here? At the top, right here, right here. So you can get on that.
Oh, okay.
So there it says 1, it's basically 1.2, 1.002, 1.012 I mean.
Mm-hmm.
And so that tells us, actually that's actually 1.2. This actually
Is 1.2.
more than I actually thought it would be actually. So we actually got another percent or more of alcohol. So this is probably about 5.5%.
Oh, awesome.